Enea Bastianini hunts down Jorge Martin to win the 2024 British MotoGP at Silverstone, but the Pramac rider still retakes the title lead from Francesco Bagnaia. Bastianini completed a Silverstone double, after his sprint victory, by passing Martin when the Spaniard ran wide with 2 laps to go. With Bagnaia losing pace and limping home in third, Martin, who began the race just 1 point behind the reigning world champion, is now back on top of the standings. Cold temperatures made tire choice tricky, even before some spots of rain on the grid. All riders played it safe on the medium rear and front options, except the Aprilias of Alex Espargaro and Raul Fernandez, who picked the hard front. Fernandez was down and out on lap 1 after an incident with Trackhouse teammate Miguel Oliveira. Pole qualifier Espargaro was initially swamped by the Ducati GP24S, but repassed Bastianini for third in the early stages. Positions at the front then stabilized with Bagnaia, Martin, and Espargaro leading a 5-rider group completed by Bastianini and Marc Marquez. When Espargaro began to fade, Bastianini reclaimed third but faced a 1.2-second gap to Martin and Bagnaia. Martin dived for the lead, passing Bagnaia at turn 3, and the final 8 laps began with Martin, Bagnaia, and Bastianini wheel-to-wheel. Bagnaia proved the weakest, the world champion eventually releasing Bastianini when he ran wide. Bastianini now had 7 laps to bridge a 0.8s gap to Martin, which he swiftly demolished to pile the pressure on Martin. After a relatively quiet race, Marc Marquez snatched 4th from Espargaro in the closing stages and almost got within striking distance of Bagnaia. Brother Alex Marquez and VR46's Fabio Di Giannantonio battled hard over 6th place just before half distance, Di eventually tapping the back of his seat to indicate Marquez should follow. Di Giannantonio took 5th from Espargaro in the last laps. Espargaro was making his 329th GP start, putting him 3rd in the all-time ranking behind Valentino Rossi, 432 starts, and Andrea Dovizioso, 346. Franco Morbidelli had a double long lap penalty to serve for wiping out Marco Bezzecchi at the start of the Saturday sprint. Bezzecchi, riding with a sore right foot, took 8th. Warm-up leader Brad Binder suddenly slowed away from the grid and was lucky not to be hit by following bikes before retiring his RC16. Revised tire pressure rules for 2024 mean riders must now stay above a lower front minimum of 1.8 bar, instead of 1.88, for 60%, instead of 50%, of a Grand Prix distance, or 30% of a sprint. The penalty for failing to meet this minimum in a Grand Prix will be a 16-second post-race time penalty, or an 8-second penalty for a sprint/short race. Luca Marini is under investigation for low tire pressure. All bikes and riders were using a special retro livery for this afternoon's Grand Prix, to celebrate the 75th anniversary of motorcycle Grand Prix racing.
Last year's world champion and his teammate, and the new championship leader in Jorge Martin, who was won last year in the